5,000 twice. Sold it for $5,000.
These are the ones that people dream of. The guys like you and you have been doing this for years. They live for these storage units. That's why they were all here. What's that?
Ammo?
Ammo.
Oh.
Ooh, I like these.
This is good. This is why we bought it.
Restricted. We're not supposed to read that. This is a minimum 1,000 in this trunk. Minimum 1,000.
All right, what's up, locker nuts? Okay, I'm in the car. I pulled over for a sec to get my nav set up, and I thought I better do a little video because I think it's going to get crazy as soon as I get there. There's a big auctioning happening today, Tracy, California. I've bought some decent stuff out in Tracy before, stacked on the left locker. Yeah, maybe that's the only good one I've ever got one out there. I know there's some decent stuff out there. I'm excited because this is a live auction. This is not virtual. This is not online. This is the real deal. One of the last auction companies still performing live auctions. You know who else is saying that? Everyone in the Bay Area, maybe even further. There's going to be tons of people there, big guys, heavy hitters. There's going to be a lot of money spent today because they showed the photos, and there's 9 photos for 14 lockers. Every single one of them pretty much looked really good. Some of them looked downright fantastic. I've got my eye on one. We'll see if I get it. I don't have that much money with me today to buy too much, but all I want really is one good one that I can share with you guys and get some good videos out of. And let's make some money. All right, I'm about to turn this around and get on the road. Let's go. Guys, we are here. I am here, and so is a ton of other people. You'll see soon enough. But if you saw how far I had to park, I had to park like a block away. I have a trailer, so it's a little bit hard to park, but there's a lot of guys here. And apparently, reportedly, the auction before, there's like all the big hitters in the Bay Area. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to go very, very high. Waiting on the auctioneer to come over. And then I think we'll get signing in and get to action. And I might just take on a partner on this one that I like here because Mike, the storage auction pirate, has offered to team up. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. We're going to see how high these units sell for today. I think it's going to go a little bit higher than I want, but we'll see. We will see. It's a nice little facility here. I've never been to an auction here before. And looks clean. I'm excited. Yeah, look at the bugs.
Okay, G218, 10 by 10. I got $100 to start it. How about a quarter? 125, 150. 125 right here. $150. 150, 175. 175, 200, 2 now 2 and a quarter, 250.
Yeah.
250 over here, yes. 75, now $300. I got 3 and a quarter. I got 325, now 350. 325, you give me a half on it. 350, 375. Yes. 350, 75. Make not quick. 375, 400. 375, $400. I got 375 once.
You've been here?
Right over here. Clear. 4 now 4 and 4.
I've been here years ago. I think
425, 400, 425. I got 400 once. 400 twice. Sold it back there. $400.
Yeah. See pins back there.
Oh, it's small.
Another one of
What
those
is?
big ass TVs. All there is.
It's in there.
About 5 of them already.
We're 75 what?
Yeah.
500, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, 550. 525, you go 5 and a half, 525 what? 525,
Yeah.
550, 575. I got 550 here, 575. She says, what? 550 twice? It's sold right there. Okay, thank you. Let's go to the next one, folks.
Big one.
My flashlight's dead. Look, the statue's peeing. It's almost cool looking, huh? It's like this cool little flea market sale.
Yeah. Almost only counts in horseshoes.
725, yes. 750, 775. Give me 800. I got 8 and a quarter right there. I got 8, you go 8 and a quarter, 8 and a quarter, 8 and a half. I got 850, 875. I got 875, make it 900. I got 9, give me 9 and a half. 950, 1,000, 1050, 1,000 bucks. 1950 once. Yeah. 2,000, back in. 2,000, now 2050, 2,100. 21, 2150, 2150, 2200, 2250. I got 22 and 2250. Got 22 once, 22 twice, sold for $2,200.
There's no water bed in there.
Notice the
de hacer algo bien. Si no sale mal, pues ni pedo, ¿no?
A lot of Coke stuff.
Rich. One of these. Oh,
Lock
look at
box
that.
back there is open, that big.
Look at this one.
Ajá.
Which one
Era,
up
era
there?
lo mismo que le decía yo a
Yeah.
Mejani, le digo, mira, ya trato de vender también esa para que evite uno el
It's very dirty, so everything needs to be clean.
Uh-huh.
Furniture's garbage.
31, now 32. 3,200 once, 33. 35, 35, now 36, 37. I got 36 here, 3,700. 37, 38, 38, now 39. 38, 3,900. 41. 46, now 47, 47, yes, 48, 49. 48, now 4900. 48 over here. 51, 52. 52. Joel, don't get nervous, Joel. 53, 54. I got 54, 55, 56.
I feel a little hostility in the air.
58. 58, 59, 59. $6,000.
You get this one. What's up, man? Oh, I'm not getting into pitching, man.
Okay. Okay, right here, we're turning this $1,000. I got 11, I'll take it 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2000, 21, 25, 26, 27, 28, $3,000. I got 3,000, 31, 32 right here, 31, 4,000, 4,000 right here, you need 4,500. I have 4,000, 4,500, 4,000 out front, 4,500.
What you got?
4,000 right here,
41.
41, 42, and now 3,
Yeah.
3, now 4,
Yeah.
that's 4, 5, 45, that's a 45 right there, 46. Right here. I got 46 all over the place. 47. 5,000. 5,100. 5, 5,100. 5, you go 5,100. 5,000 here. 5,100. 5,000 once. 5,000 twice. $5,000. Thank you guys and girls. We got one more. One more.
Junk.
These are the ones that people dream of. The guys like you and you have been doing this for years. They live for these storage units. That's why they were all here.
That's right. There was a big crowd. All the heavy hitters in the Bay Area, I think, were here, or most of them.
Yep.
Almost all of them.
We
I
missed
left
out on
one
the
out.
one down there. Maybe he'll let us do a one quick peek if he comes in here. I don't know if he's coming in, but that'd be nice if he let us just do a quick pan through to show the other half.
That one looked good. We bid on that too. Or you bid for us.
Yeah.
But this is the one. This is the one. Right? If you could have picked anyone on this route.
Of today,
Yeah.
even the ones that I went with the projectile dispensers that went crazy, I didn't even feel those. This unit right here, once I looked at the photos, something told me I was standing in front. I really believe there's something, a gem in here. I really believe there's one item that will get us our money back. That's what my gut says.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Well, let's see.
Whatever they did last was 89 cents. See, I don't know what that was, but something was 81 cents.
Nothing's 89 cents anymore.
This is the first thing. Look at the level of dust.
That is remarkable.
I'm carbon dating this at 26 years, minimum.
Because look at that.
Yeah.
It's not just the webs, it's the amount of dust on the webs, everything. This looks a lot like the one I bought with Manuel in Modesto, which we called Dusty Trunks. Oh, wow. What do you think, guys? We paid a lot to find out what was in here so you guys could come along on this adventure. What do you think? Put in the comments below what you think we did. Is this a good investment? Is this crazy? Is this locker nuts? Is this, what do you think we're gonna find in here?
Well, what is a good investment in the storage business? Because the nicest unit I ever thought I bought, I lost $5,600 on, and it was all 48-foot brand new.
Huh.
What is a surefire investment?
There's none.
There is none. This is untouched. Whatever was in here. What's that?
Ammo?
Ammo.
Oh. Yeah.
Ephemera. Black and white photos. Okay, little boy. Cat. Ooh, there's a goat.
It's a good auction item right there.
Right there. I'm excited. Kind of wish I had gloves.
I got some rubber gloves.
Nice. We're gonna need this right here is heavy. That's
Full. Come on. Full.
this one. You can hear the echo.
Yeah.
No echo.
Not that one.
That one's full, but there's no little space here. This one's full, jam packed. I don't even know what to do.
I don't know either.
I don't know what to
kind
do.
of just like savor it right now. This is this has not been touched in
Kind of.
a decade or longer.
Ooh, I just want to see something. Let's just unwrap something. Look at that Art Deco. Oh, this is a good sign because you know why?
What?
Let's see when they wrapped this. 1991. That's 20. That's 29 years. January 17th. That's one of my friend's birthdays. That's a good sign. That's Art Deco.
Oh, look at that little clock thing right there.
Oh yeah. Is there gonna be some? Is it a model? No. I have no idea. This is nuts.
And that
What do
We need to
do?
bring a awning next time. We're gonna be baking in the sun.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Shaquille O'Neal rookie? It is.
no way.
Yeah. That is, because see,
That's gotta be good.
LSU, and then it says rookie. I don't know what that's worth, but I like that because that tells you that there's potential of good cards.
Yeah.
And then these look all sealed. And sealed stuff does real well because the people are gambling on that. Oh, that one's not sealed. I lied. Sorry, subscribers, that I lied to you. Still, I'm excited.
Me too. All right. Anything to say?
I'm cool. Like, I like this unit. I wanted it. That's got something in it. That's the ammo box. Did you notice that?
No. I did not. I saw one in the other unit, right?
Princess House is a good brand. That's probably at least 30 to 100 bucks. Sealed boxes. This one, I don't even know. There's so much potential here. Look, look at these dolls.
Let's just do it.
Is that a Koopy doll?
I don't know.
I've never seen this one, but I bet you that's money right there.
It's old, whatever it is. It's old.
There's a whole box of them.
Huh. It's great auction items.
Yes. I was like, what do you do? It's somebody's time capsule. You know what this reminds me of? This particular unit right here?
Huh.
It reminds me of Ray Smith's, the first one we got. The little one, the cheapest one.
Yeah, that one was really dusty. One of two trunks, right?
One of two trunks.
Let's see the other trunk. You go to the pirate shell.
Ooh, I like these.
This is good. This is why we bought it. What is this?
Those are beer trays.
Oh.
Like Schaefer.
Ooh, that's old.
Yeah.
Huh. What do you think? 50s? 60s?
Usually, like, there'll be something on the rim.
And this?
The good ones don't really have yours. What's it say right here? Conco. These are old. I can tell you that. I bet you they're worth at least 50 bucks a piece.
Really?
Yeah, at least. If I had to guess, I'm
I've
gonna.
never seen those before. That's great. 1967.
Maritimes. That's Navy, right?
This is little stickers.
I like that
Ooh,
it's.
souvenir coasters.
I like that it's not touched. What are those?
Oh, that's like
Bookends.
Yeah.
But those are cool. Don't underestimate those.
Leather.
Great Britain.
It's old. It's kind of been eaten by moths a little bit, which kind of gives it character.
Well, it's not like the best. See, there's a lot. The 5 that's sold for $49, but this one sold for $290. 36. We have that one, I think. Individually is the way to go. So they're worth at least $25 a piece in my eyes.
That's still good. There's a metal roof right
That's
here.
a train building. That's a very interesting one that is metal.
Yeah, all the ones we found before were plastic.
Oh wow.
Yeah, got a little stapler.
Is that? That's a train right there. Look at that train right there. Oh my.
that good?
I saw that
Oh,
one,
this
but
one.
the Ives Railway Lines. What's the maker on that? This could be really valuable.
That's pretty cool.
This is cast iron. I haven't seen one like this before, so I don't know. It kind of reminds me of American Flyer, but I don't think it is. That's good money right there, Jack.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. I like to hear that. That's neat too. And the
Any
mouthpiece.
maker anywhere? No. Marks, maybe?
It's old. Bunch of old parts in here. That's curious.
Wow. Jack,
Yeah.
I looked up Ives trains. I don't know, because I've never seen them. That's similar to what we got.
Yeah, it is.
Look at the price on that. Look at that building. Holy crap.
How, where are you getting eyes from though?
That's the look at this train again right here. See what it says on the side? I've never seen this brand before, so I was right away intrigued. Look at this Ives train.
Oh, Ives. Okay.
Yeah, they have some decent prices. I think we got something really good here in this little bit of trains here. Even on the low, we get down into cheaper prices. That's well. The building itself, we probably have a good $1,000 right there in that pile.
Okay. Wow.
What are these?
What is this?
I've never seen that before either. Those are boxing shorts, aren't they?
Could it be?
I feel like those are money. That looks like military though. Maybe military boxing?
It could be.
We got a
Viewers
lot of
know.
research to do. This looks like, oh no, but just still, that train's got me juiced. You know how I feel about trains, right?
Yes.
Hummel?
Yeah. Germany? That's
Yeah, I've never seen it. This is a good little lot of stuff here. He, our friend over there about the other one, I saw Hummel's on his shelf.
okay.
I'm liking this.
It's a genuine reproduction is what it says.
Genuine reproduction.
Yeah, that's so weird, huh? 1985, well, no book. Okay. Alright, this thing's like shredding. So, let's see.
Oh, we got train track over there, I see. Sorry, you showed it. Ooh. Yeah. Car photos are really good in black and whites. You know, our won't say our photo buyer's name, but he always looks for
Cars, huh?
Yeah. Well, he used to be our photo buyer.
Airbase Squadron,
This is kind of cool too.
1952.
Just 7 years after World War II.
Oh, wow.
What you want to look for is the originals where it's signed by like maybe the president or somebody who became president, or restricted. We're not supposed to read that. That's cool stuff.
Almost 7 years later.
Holy, this is a very peculiar lot of paperwork right here.
There's a lot of it.
Yeah, and it's all military based.
It looks like it, yeah.
That actually,
Yeah. Captain Bernard.
I think this envelope here has a lot of money. I don't know I wouldn't know where to begin. We're gonna be doing a lot of research here. Oh my.
Oh. Princess Elizabeth?
This is good though. I've never seen these like that. That's rare. Even broken, that still has value. That you don't. None of them. This is pre-war era.
What is this stuff?
Another train. It's the grills.
Ooh, okay.
Those have value, especially when they belong to something.
That's pretty cool. Oh, there we go.
Who makes it?
Man USA, the Lionel Corporation.
Oh my gosh.
More Lionel. Okay, here's the heavy one.
Oh,
Boy, that's got a cool look to it.
is that Lionel? I don't know. I've never seen one like that. I can't read that.
It's all wore off, maybe this side. Wait, right there, Lionel.
Oh my gosh. This is not quite G scale, not quite O scale. What is it?
It says, what does it say, made 5? Right there, made 5, the Lionel Corp. Yeah, here flies.
This is old. This is really old Lionel train. I've never found them this old.
Really? I like to hear that. Here's another one.
Is that Lionel?
This one's quite. Oh, it is. Yeah, there it is. O gauge. Lionel. That's pretty dope.
It
A
is.
little bell. Dang.
Those are gonna take some research because I don't know nothing about those Lionel trains either.
Alright, now what's this guy?
Oh, that one's cherry, huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh
This is
my
better, but it's
lord.
lighter. Something else in it. American Flyer.
American Flyer.
Is that it?
It's a little dirt hauler,
Mm.
dump car, whatever, but it's in the original box.
There's something else in here. What is this? This is some dirt, maybe?
Here is something similar to one we have right here. Look, that one sold for $810.
What?
That is similar to, it's pre-war.
That's the coal.
Oh, hoo, hoo.
That's neat. Oh, this one's got a price tag on it. $3.70. Probably
I ain't selling for that no
50
more.
years ago.
So if we just type in pre-war and we come in here, you start to see some rough prices on pre-war lots.
Oh wow, look at this.
We think we have one like that, but that's a lot of those.
Oh, there it is, the coal dump car. Got the instructions.
Very essential that all that stays together.
Yeah.
It's a whole little American Flyer kit. That's the little
That's
let's
for the
make it
dump car.
run.
Huh. That's for the dump car. Was it actually dumps it out or something?
Wow, there it is. It looks like
For
this
that?
one. I think so.
Wow. Oh, and this does go with it.
And then it looks just like ours, right?
Uh-huh.
Little slightly different, but that sold for $299.
Looks a little different, but maybe it's got all those parts. See?
Yeah.
$300 right there. Dang.
We have.
Fine.
This is a minimum 1,000 in this trunk. Minimum 1,000. I'm not trying to over exaggerate because we often get yelled at for that. We will obviously tell them some stuff later. But yeah, this building, these little Lionel pre-wars.
Be careful here. Put all these guys back. I think we're done good, Mike.
Yeah, that and the military paperwork. I think we're well over $1,000 in this one box. I'm thinking more like 2 plus, but I'm not trying to over exaggerate. But I'd have to do more research. That car right there, that locomotive, this set is very rare. Because I've sold thousands of trains. This is the first time I've seen an Ives.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And I've never found the pre-war Lionel either.
This thing is falling apart, but what we got?
Merry Christmas, signed Honey. Ooh, look at that.
School. The guy grew up out here.
It's AAA, original. Looks like an ephemera lot.
Yeah. Some old sheet music. A lot of old sheet music. Little Annie Rooney, Cradle Song.
I know my pirates love ephemera, and I'm quite sure your nuts do too.
They do indeed.
We should sing them a song. The Young Violinist. I will give you a sneak peek. I climbed up on those trunks. There is a very old violin style case, and I'm very, very intrigued when we get to that point.
That could be our money right there.
I've yet to find a genuine Stradivarius. If we find a genuine Stradivarius, I'm taking you to Mexico.
Taking me?
Yeah. If we find a genuine one, do you have any idea what a genuine Stradivarius is worth?
$1 million?
It's a lot.
Could
Yeah.
be, right? Could be $1 million.
We're going to lay in a pool for a year. I mean, a week. I can't take that much time off.
You got storage lockers in Mexico? All right, check this out, guys. We took the waterbed panels out. Those are ready for the dump over there, but this is hiding behind it. And look it out. interesting this is. UN. Cartridges for weapons. What do you think's in there? What do you think's in there? Let's find out, shall we?